You can use transitions to spice up your presentations. Now, I typically start with the second slide. Then I'll go up to transitions, and then I'll click on the drop down to show you a list of all the different types of transitions you can use. And then in the dynamic content, I'll choose window. Pretty much any transition you select will have effect options. So you can click on effect options, and then it will give you the options for that particular transition. So I'll change it from vertical to horizontal. I'll apply one more set of transitions to this next slide. I'll click on slide 3, I'll click on the drop down, and then this is how you can test them out. So if you're wondering what it will look like if you select cover, just click on it and you get to see cover. I'll choose uncover, and then I'll end up with fall over.